In a peaceful forest, there were two little birds named Pip and Chirp were best friends. They loved exploring together. One sunny morning, they decided to fly beyond their usual spots. As they soared through the sky, they discovered a beautiful meadow, filled with colorful flowers and a sparkling stream. Pip and Chirp played all day, singing songs and chasing butterflies. They even found a cozy nest in a tall tree where they could rest and enjoy the view. As the sun set, they knew they had found a new favorite place to visit. From that day on, Pip and Chirp returned to the meadow whenever they wanted to have fun and enjoy their friendship. If you like my video, please support me by following my Facebook page or subscribe to my